स्वागत है आपका 19.5 रेगुलेशन ऑफ किडनी फंक्शन के डिस्कशन में। The functioning of the kidneys is efficiently monitored and regulated by hormonal feedback mechanism involving the dash dash, comma dash dash, and to a certain extent the heart. Dash dash in the body are activated by change of blood. जी हाँ, dash dash in the body are activated by change in blood volume, body fluid volume, and ionic concentration. An excessive loss of fluid from the body can activate these receptors, which stimulate the dash dash to release dash dash hormone, that is ADH, or dash dash from dash dash. Dash dash facilitates watery absorption from latter parts of the tubule, thereby preventing dash dash. An increase in body fluid volume can switch off the dash dash and suppress the ADH release to complete the dash dash. Dash dash can also affect the kidney function by its dash dash effects on blood vessels. This causes an increase in dash dash. An increase in dash dash can increase the dash dash flow and thereby the GFR. The dash dash plays a complex regulatory role. A fall in dash dash flow or glomerular blood pressure, that is GFR, can activate the dash dash cells to release renin, which converts dash dash in blood to vasoconstrictor, increase the dash dash blood pressure, and thereby GFR. Dash dash also activates the adrenal cortex to release aldosterone. Dash dash causes reabsorption of sodium, ion, and water from the distal part of the tubules. This also leads to an increase in blood pressure and GFR. इस कॉम्प्लेक्स मैकेनिज्म को जनरली कहा जाता है रेनिन एंजियोटेंसिन मैकेनिज्म। जी हाँ, रेनिन एंजियोटेंसिन मैकेनिज्म किसको कहा जाता है? चलिए ANF, जी हाँ ANF का फुल फॉर्म बताइए। An increase in blood flow to the dash dash of the heart can cause the release of ANF। फुल फॉर्म बताइए ANF का। ANF can cause dash dash, that is dilation of blood vessels and thereby decrease the blood pressure। Dash dash mechanism thereby acts as a check on the dash dash mechanism।